Today I'm going to show you how to do addition, subtraction, and scalar multiplication with matrices. The first thing you want to do is type out these first three variables, and it's matrix A, matrix B, and matrix C. Matrix C has to be all zeros for it to work, but matrix A and B can have any numbers. And then after you create the first three variables, you want to set matrix C equal to the method we are going to create that will add matrix A and B. And after you type that, you want to type in both these. All this will do will just, in the console, will let you know what is happening. So it's going to print out C is equal to A plus B, and this is just going to let you know that it will be adding matrix A and B, and the sum of it will be matrix C. Then you want to create this loop, and then inside of that loop, another loop, a nested loop, and then you want to type out these two print systems. Now for this to work, you have to create a new method, and you have to come outside of the first main method and create it, and you want to type public static double, and then the name of the method, I did @mat because we were going to be adding the matrices, matrix A and B in here, and then double matrix A, double matrix B, and then double matrix C, and then you want to paste in what matrix C is, and it's all zeros. Then you want to create this loop, and then another nested loop, and then that matrix C is equal to matrix A plus matrix B. And then after that, you want to return matrix C. Now, everything you did for adding matrix A and B is the same thing from for subtracting matrix A and B. All you have to do is change the plus sign to a subtraction sign, and it will work. So it paste, and then the message printed out would be different. It would just be matrix A minus matrix B. And then for that to work, you would come down again outside of both methods and come and create a new method, public static double submat, because you will be subtracting the matrices, double matrix A, double matrix B, and then double matrix CC is equal to all zeros. And matrix CC is just the same thing for C, but you have to create new variables because they all can't equal the same thing, and then you just have to come and create these. So before, you first have to create these first two matrices, and then come down and create these two, and then you can create the methods. And you do the same thing, and just here the only difference is that it is no longer an addition sign, it is a subtraction sign. And then for the scalar multiplication, again, it's the same thing. You create a new matrix, and you set it equal to the multiplication method, which is here, but we're doing scalar multiplication, so we won't multiply matrix A and B. We're multiplying just matrix A by 2, which will multiply every number inside the matrix by 2. And then after you've typed everything out, you can come and type the print messages, then just the loops and the nested loops, and then these two print statements. And then we can run it to see if it works. And you can see C equals A plus B, and it gives us the arrays of the added matrices, and then A minus B, and here it gives us the arrays again of matrix A subtracted by matrix B, and then here is scalar multiplication. That should be a 2, so it was matrix A multiplied by 2. That's the array that was printed out.